Hi guys, so here we are ending up in remote learning like we had talked about for the past 2 weeks. Everything is going to be set up exactly the same, which is purposeful. So follow along and I'll tell you about this week's activities. So obviously yesterday we were reading excerpts from Of Plymouth Plantation from William Bradford. You started your social media assignment, which is right here. You're going to finish that assignment today and turn it in on Google Classroom. When you're done with that, you have a quiz over Native American literature and colonial literature. You may use your notes that you've taken in class to take this quiz, but please do not use each other. That quiz link can be found right here on the checklist. For tomorrow's work, you're going to watch this video lesson of me talking about Puritan literature. So we're moving on from colonial lit to Puritan lit. In this video, I go over the notes, which while I'm talking, you should be writing in your notebook just like as if we were in class. When you're done, you'll take a screenshot of those notes and send them on Google Classroom to show me that you've done that assignment. Next, you'll listen to me beautifully speak the sermon, Sinners in the Hands of an Angry God. While I am reading that to you, and by the way, I definitely butcher some words, I skip some lines, and I sound kind of silly, but that's just what you get. So, while you're listening to me butcher that, you're going to write down how you're feeling while listening to it. Once that's all done, you'll go on Google Classroom and answer the discussion board question about the sermon. That'll wrap up Thursday. Friday, you have a reading activity. The assignment can be found right here. It explains step by step what you are supposed to do. And here are the 2 articles that you will use to complete that assignment. As always, here's a list at the bottom of everything that needs to be turned in on Google Classroom this week. We need the William Bradford social media assignment, your quiz over Native American and colonial lit, screenshots of your Puritan notes and how you feel over Sinners in the Hands of an Angry God. You can turn that in one screenshot. Discussion question on Google Classroom. We've practiced how I want you to answer a discussion question. If you don't remember, look back to the requirements from week 1, and then your Puritan reading activity. As always, if you have any questions, you know how to get a hold of me. Have a great rest of your week, and I hope to see you soon.